Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make very simple okonomiyaki. For ingredients, let's check down below. So for ingredients, I have okonomiyaki flour because we're gonna make it super simple. So I'm gonna use instant okonomiyaki flour, water, bacon. For the main ingredients is actually pork belly, thinly sliced, but since I live in Canada, we don't have the thinly sliced pork belly. That's why I'm using bacon. But if in your area you do have thinly sliced pork belly, go ahead. It's always better with the pork belly. I have eggs, cabbage, and green onion. For toppings, we're gonna use nori. For the sauce, I have okonomiyaki sauce. This is the spicy versions, but you can get, if you don't like spicy, you can get the regular versions. We have togarashi, which is chili pepper. If you don't like spicy, skip it. Bonito flakes and mayo. All ingredients that I use over here is for 3 servings. So for 3 servings, what I'm gonna do, first, 1 cup of okonomiyaki flour, 3/4 cup of water. Now we're gonna mix it. So the consistency is gonna look like this. And then at this point on, I'm gonna divide it by 3. From this point, you just add cabbage, eggs, green onion, after everything's done, I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt and pepper for taste. When everything's ready, now you mix them up. When everything's done, everything mix evenly, we're gonna fry this. So turn on your stove or your heat to medium and then just apply a little bit of oil. Just wait until it's getting hot and we can put our mixtures on the frying pan. When the pan getting hot, now you can put your mixture in. And you can just make it round. And we're gonna cook this for about 3 minutes in one side, and then the other side is gonna be 4 to 5 minutes. So from this point, put your bacon in. Or if you do have thinly sliced pork belly, that's what you wanna do. So now, just wait for 3 minutes, let it cook. After about 3 minutes, it's getting loose. Now you can just flip it. Now we're gonna cook this side for about 4 to 5 minutes because there is a bacon or pork belly in it. So you gotta make sure the bacon is fully cooked. So now, after about 4 minutes, everything is done. So for the toppings, first I'm gonna put the okonomiyaki sauce. Mayo, nori, and then if you do like spicy, then you put togarashi. So this is optional, togarashi. Last one, but the most important part, bonito flakes. Alright guys, so this is the final result. Give it a try, it's really tasty. So that's it for our today's video. It's really simple, really fast to make. So if you cannot find the okonomiyaki flour, if you live in Canada, it's available in Amazon. If you live in Indonesia, for example, you can always check Shopee or Tokopedia. They have it. I double check with them. And all the okonomiyaki sauce, they have it also in Amazon. If you live in Canada or United States, it's the same thing in Indonesia. You can check Shopee or Tokopedia. So give it a try. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.